Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can insert a new page in Microsoft Word document. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word document right here open up. So let's say I'm typing a letter and then I want to insert a new page, right? So there's a couple of ways to do that. There's actually two ways you can do that. Now if you want to add a page to the top, it depends if you want to add it to the top or to the bottom. So if you are typing and you want to add the page to the bottom, make sure you are at the bottom of your last text. You are at the bottom, and then you can just, if you were to come to insert, click on insert right there, and then now you can insert a blank page, right? And then if you scroll down, you see you insert a blank page, and then you will see it was inserted at the bottom because you are at the end of your text. But then if you were to be up here, right up here, and then you come to insert and then insert blank page, you will see the page has been inserted at the top. As you can see, the page has been inserted at the top. Right, so make sure you are to insert a page. It depends on where you want. If you want it at the bottom, make sure you are at the end of all your text. But then if you want to insert it at the top, make sure you are at the top of your text and then insert the page, right? So that's how you can insert a page in Microsoft, or a new page in Microsoft Word document. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love.